how to get an invoice from Temu. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get an invoice from Temu. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Temu app on your mobile and sign into your account. After that, go to the bottom of the app and click on the U icon in the middle. Over here, go to the top right corner and click on the headphones icon to access support. Then scroll down and look for the option that says still can't solve the problem. Contact us. After that, click on contact us and you will be taken to Temu customer service. Over here, you can type that you need help getting an invoice. Then explain to the chat support team that you didn't receive the invoice for the order you purchased. After that, the Temu support team will assist you in getting your invoice as soon as possible. So that's how you can get an invoice from Temu. That's all for this video.